Hello everybody, this is the first video of my new Chinese learning series. It is called HSK Vocabulary and How to Use Them. In this video series, I'm planning to talk about and analyze each vocabulary that's appear on the list of HSK, and we are going to spend more time learning them with examples and explanations of the grammars that this vocabulary might be related to. As I believe that in Chinese, vocabulary takes much more importance than what it is in English, where the grammar seems more important. And I hope you enjoy this, and there are going to be 300 vocabulary between HSK 1 and HSK 2. Each lesson, in each video, I plan to do 5 of them so I wouldn't bore you too much. Hope you like it. And these words are going to be chosen according to the alphabetical order. Now let's start. Now the first character or word in the list is 爱, to love as a verb or love as a noun. And this is how you write it. Right on the top, 4 strokes, and in the middle part there's a little roof, and below there is Chinese character as 有 as friend, as in 朋友. And actually one of my friend, also a Chinese teacher, told me that this 爱 can be viewed to show the true meaning of love. First part, the top one, is actually the radical for claw. And he was saying, when you're in love with somebody, you want to claw this person, you want to hold this person, you want to kiss him or her, and you want to hug him or her. And then, but that's not enough. After a while, the passion is going to be gone. So what do you need? You need the middle part, which is a roof. You need something substantial, a roof to live together, right? But then that's not enough. And what's making your love last forever is the last part, which is friend or friendship. I'm pretty sure that is not how this Chinese character came into being, or the connotations. I always loved that explanation. Anyway, so when 爱 is used as a verb, it can be pretty much used as what you do in English, such as 我爱你 or 我爱中国, I love China. There are a few words that 爱 is involved. For example, 爱人, I love person, that is your spouse. And then 爱国 literally means love country. That means patriotic. For example, 他很爱国, she is very patriotic. When the word is used to mean the noun, love, you say 我的爱, my love, right? My love, 我的 my, 爱 love. Another word that contains this Chinese character would be 爱好. This is not 好 anymore. It's actually now changed its pronunciation in this word to 好, the fourth tone. And 爱好 is a hobby or hobbies. Right, so that's the first Chinese character. Hope you like it. And let's move to the second one. Second one is pretty easy. I'm sure most of you know that. It's a number. It's 8. Now that's how you write it. And the pronunciation is 八, first tone, 八. And when you use this number to specify a quantity, do not forget about the measure word. For example, 八个人, 8 people, or 八只猫, 8 cats. You use a different measure word to modify cats. 八只猫, 8 cats. Or let's make it longer. 我有八只猫, right? I have 8 cats. Right, let's move to another one. 爸爸爸 爸 on its own means dad, and the official word for daddy or dad is 爸爸. And sometimes it is a very colloquial phrase, but it can be used as a father in some contexts as well. And then let's try to make some sentences. For example, 我爱爸爸. I love daddy. I love father. Or 我爱我的爸爸. So now we have 爱 and 爸爸 in one sentence. Oh, by the way, that's how you write it. Almost forgot. Take a look. There's two parts, the upper part and the below part. 4, and then that's a 爸. Right, there you go. I hope you practice that while you're watching this movie. And now let's move to the fourth one. So this is how you write it. It's combined with two parts. Left part, it's a mouth, indicating that this has something to do with talking, speaking, so modal. And then right one, that thing is called ba, so indicating the pronunciation of this Chinese character. There's no tone there. It is called a modal particle. This is used at the end of a statement to mean blah 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 right, blah 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 okay, or it could mean I suggest this statement. See, these modal particles can be quite tricky. There are a few of them, maybe a dozen of them, and each modal particle does not have any meaning, but it's very powerful. It creates some sort of a meaning or mood for the whole sentence. It changes the whole setting of the sentence, right? For example, we learned ma, and in HSK 1, that changes a statement into a yes or no question. And this ba changes the statement before that into a suggestion, sort of, and a quite polite one. Like, for example, 我们吃饭吧. 我们吃饭, we eat food. 吧, let's eat food. We eat food. Okay, so it's more of a suggestion that we should go and eat food. Or it could be also a sort of a guess. For example, let's use all the vocabularies we just learned. 你爱你的爸爸吧? You love your daddy, right? Or 你的爸爸爱叫 Jack. 你的爸爸叫 Jack 吧? It's a sort of a guess. It's assumption, but a polite one. So that's what a ba is. I know this ba might be a bit difficult to get, but I hope through many examples in the future, you will finally be able to know what it exactly means. Right, now let's go to the last Chinese character according to the alphabetic order. Bai. Bai. It means white, the color white, and that's how you write it. Looks like the word 日, the sun, 日, or day, 日, with a little stroke or little hat on the top. That's 白. Right? 白 on its own is a Chinese character that means white. And if you want to say the color white or the color of white, it's 白色, 白色. Or if you want to use this 白 to describe an object, for example, 白色的猫, you need the particle 的 in here to help 白色 to modify 猫. 白色的猫，爸爸有一只白色的猫。Daddy has a white cat. 他爱他的猫. He loves his cat. So we have 爱 as well. And or maybe 爸爸有8只. Your daddy is crazy. Your daddy is a cat person. So 爸爸有8只白色的猫. Or maybe that's an assumption. 你爸爸有8只白色的猫吧? Or maybe 你爸爸爱他的8只白色的猫吧? Now we have 5 words all in one sentence. 你爸爸 your dad, love 爱他的 his 8只 ate 白色的猫 white cats 8. Is that right? Then, if you remember this sentence, you should be able to remember those 5 vocabulary. Your daddy loves his 8 white cats. Is that right? Alright, so that's the lesson for today, the 5 vocabulary of HSK 1 and 2. Hope you enjoy them. Hope you learned something. Thank you very much. Until next time. Bye bye.